What's good, YouTube? It's Coco for those of you who don't know, and I really miss y'all. I've been MIA for a minute because a lot of stuff has been happening. I know it's a lot going on with the world right now, but I'm back. I promise I'm back. And I want y'all to really hold me accountable. Even if y'all don't, I'm going to try my best to hold myself accountable. That's why this video will be going up late today. It is currently September 2nd, but as you can see, I shot this video yesterday, and I just really wanted to set the month right, which is what I do every month. Honestly, this isn't anything new that I do. I like to just set the month right by getting my headspace together, my mental, my emotional, and my physical, not just with myself, but with my environment around me. So yeah, it's a new month for new blessings, new goals, new opportunities, new intentions, just new everything. So I like to take the time to really deep clean my space, declutter, get my mind right. Like I say, I feel like that's just like a broad thing to say though, like what is getting your mind right. So just, I guess, setting new boundaries, standing on the boundaries that I set, and being able to let go of the people that don't respect them, understand them, like them, whatever the case may be, So I'm gonna stop talking for a little while and let y'all just enjoy a little bit of me cleaning my space. But yeah, this is pretty much what I do, a little of what I do to set the vibe for the new month, each month. And I hope y'all enjoy. I'll talk to y'all later. I do want to point out that yes, I do have on a mask. I wear a mask especially these days when I clean, because these products, it seems like it just, I don't know, I'm really looking for some natural cleaning products, or just some that's not as harsh and toxic as the ones that I grew up on and that I still use currently, because it's like that's all I know. So if y'all have any recommendations on like some natural cleaning products or some other cleaning products that's not as harsh but still get the job done, because as y'all can see, like I be cleaning, okay? So I need something that's gonna get the job done, that's not as toxic and as harsh, because even like today, my throat and stuff was still like itchy and like scratchy, and my nose and stuff just messed up from all the dang on products. And it's like, I know I'm not supposed to be mixing some of the stuff I mix, but girl, I grew up doing this. And I know it's not bad. I mean, I know it is bad and that I'm not supposed to be doing it, but exactly, that's why I need help. The girl's just, still trying to get everything together. So, yeah, if I have some recommendations, please let me know down below in the comments. I will be most grateful, because this just wasn't it. And my man really be getting mad at me because he was like, I'll clean it, I'll do it, or X, Y, and Z, because I have a little announcement to make. But make sure y'all stay in tune or with my channel, because I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I'm gonna try to post every single day for the whole month of September. Didn't want to say it at first because it's like I ain't trying to set myself up, But I am going to try to post every single day for the whole month of September. I know I dropped the ball yesterday, but I was recording this really late anyways. So for the whole month of September, I will try to post a video every single day. So make sure you stay tuned, because the next video will be what I have to announce. And yeah, even though he said he cleaned and he'll clean it, am I the only person that's just like, nothing's done right if I don't do it? Like, I don't even care if it's the meal, like, it's not cooked right unless I cook it, depending on, like, what's what. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe it's just because of my circumstance or whatever, but I'll just be so, I'll do it. But I should have really just held tight and let him do it, because, whole child, I was really messed up. Like, last night, after recording this, and a little bit today, but it's better now. So, after I'm done cleaning, as y'all can see, I just put everything back all nice and cute. I like to redo stuff every once in a while. And that's my guy Herb. Ain't he cute? I got him from Ross or TJ Maxx. One of the two. He was only like $8, $10 at max, I think. And I just really wanted to add some greenery to the bathroom. We just pretty much got in this space, so we're still getting a lot of things together. But if y'all have any recommendations for a lot of stuff, like, I'm open to everything, so just let me know down below in the comments for a lot of stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue with y'all watching again. I'm pretty much done cleaning now, so like I said, I'm just putting everything back and getting ready to wind down and get me together. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is my me time now. I done cleaned my environment. Now it's time to clean me, both physically and intentionally. Oh, excuse me. And this is what I like to do by doing that. Set my specific crystals, honing in on their energy, setting my intentions, and really just taking the time to really cleanse myself. After I'm done, or even while I'm in there, of course, I gotta always have some good feel good, either music or frequencies going, because it really does help calm my mind and everything. But yeah, so now it's just about time for me to write down my affirmations for the month, which I like to do this simply because it helps me look back throughout, like, as I go throughout the month, because every new day is a new energy, and you just encounter new things all the time. So you can set intentions for a good day, and then things will happen, and you can either let that thing that happens ruin the rest or your entire day, or you can realize that that's just something that's happening, whether you have control over it or not. Still choose to move forward and persevere and push through it. So this is what I like to do. I like to write it down and then just have it to look back throughout the month. And then I have my calendar, which is what y'all will see soon. And this is like my most favorite part about my self-care routine. So I guess that is what you could call this video, or what I do every month. Either on the 31st of every month or the 1st of every month. I don't care how late it is. I like to get it done, whether I feel like it or not. So as you can see, this one was from August. And I don't know, I like to set my reminders on here, my appointments. I still like to write down, affirmations on the side. Again, just so that I can physically see it as well, and it's not just in my mind. And again, it was like 1 o'clock by this time of me filming this dang on video, because I got started late. But again, better late than never. And that's why this video will go up late tonight. But again, better late than never. Just starting, just do it. It don't matter how... It doesn't matter if you feel like you're ready or not. You will never be ready. You just gotta do it. And yeah, so y'all, this is just what I do. Dang it. This is part of my self-care. This is what makes me happy. And just something that helped me carry myself throughout the month. And if y'all would like to share y'all's, please let me know in the comments, because I like talking to like-minded people like myself, especially in today's society, my generation, my peer group. I've always known that I was different just because of my mindset has always been like this. I've always been like what people say, like ahead of my time. So I like talking to people who's also like me. And it's just hard to find these days, because it's like everybody like to do stuff for social media. Everybody like to do stuff just to post, or just to say they doing something. Like, it's like no real authentic people no more. Like, I don't know, everything is for social media. Everybody got social media personalities, just social media, everything. And it's just like, I don't know, it's draining. It's like you see somebody, you try to have a conversation with them, and it's just like small talk, dead talk. Like, it's no depth, it's no substance in it or behind it. So that's why I really be saying, like, let me know in the comments, because I really be trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, like, but engage with like-minded people like myself. That's all. So yeah, so I don't know, it's a lot, and I want to get more into that on my channel. I'm going to get more into that on my channel, just because that is me. And I'm not hiding, like, no more, trying to, like, appease the masses. Like, who rock with me, and who don't. And that's just what it is. So I stay in this little bubble right here, making sure I'm eating good, like healthy, not just eating a good, like, what I'm saying, buying the fanciest of meals. Like, this is my version of self-care, showing up for myself, loving myself, showing myself that I care, actually taking the time to figure out, like, what I'm feeling, honoring my emotions, letting them pass, just that type of stuff. So I'm gonna stop rambling now, but this is pretty much the concept of this video. I really hope y'all liked it, and if y'all do and y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know by giving this video a like, because that will let me know. Or if you want to comment. I'm not a bougie person. I will respond back to any and everybody. And yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to create something here that's bigger than just me, and I'm going to do that with the help of people who are also like me. So if you made it to the end of this video or this far, I rock with you heavy. I love you. And I didn't really do nothing but finish up, listen to some more good music. While I was doing all that, my man cooked us some coconut curry chicken and rice, and we watched some Netflix, and we chilled. So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Mwah.